Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this quick video, I will guide you through the process of unblocking a person on Facebook. If you have previously blocked someone and now wish to reconnect or mend ties, follow along as we walk you through the steps. Start by opening the Facebook app in your smartphone and ensuring that your account has already been logged in. So once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the menu icon represented by three horizontal lines on the bottom right of your screen. Then navigate to the gear-like icon present on the top right of your screen. Once you're on the settings and privacy page, scroll down and tap on blocking. Then tap on unblock option present right aside the name. Doing this, the person will now be able to see your post timeline and will be able to contact you. Then after, if you want to block the same person twice, you will have to wait for a time span of 48 hours to do so. Confirm it by tapping on unblock again and it's done. So that's it. This is how you unblock a person in Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more amazing content. Thank you for watching.